Students, welcome back to your English grammar class. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense describes an action that has been completed in the recent past. Means it describes a kind of action which has been completed in the completed recently in the past. Okay, it is used to express an activity completed recently, like the baby has just woken up, I have just reached home. All these kinds of sentence come under this. Then to describe past events when we think more of their effect in the present than of action itself. I have cut my finger, I have finished my homework, like it is bleeding now, I'm free now. So it is reflecting the action. To express past actions that have no definite time to speak. Jay has been to Lucknow. She has been to China. So these are the actions that have no definite time of speaking. Then you have to study this table, verb in the first form, past tense and past participle of it. So this is for you all have to read this. Even this. Moving on to the affirmative sentence structure, again subject plus have has plus verb in the third form and other words. Do not use present perfect when there is a time phase. When the time phase is given, you should not use present perfect tense. I have seen the Taj Mahal last year. This is incorrect. I saw the Taj Mahal last year. Okay. Rewrite the sentences after correcting the mistakes. I has complete my homework. Do you think this sentence is right? No, it's wrong. So what we will do, we will correct it. I have, with I we will be using have like it is shown over here and in the previous chapters also. I have completed. Verb you have to put it in the third form. So completed my homework. These are the other words. See the third one. She have take her lunch. Again with she with he and she we use has. So she has taken. Taken is the third form of the verb and her lunch are the other words. The remaining ones you can try doing on your own. Moving on to the last topic for today, negative sentence. So in the negative sentence, again subject plus have has plus what you have to put between have has and the verb, just not, which will show the negation in the sentence and other words. Fill in the blanks with present perfect tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Then change the sentence into negative form. My sister dash food, cook. My sister has cooked. So has and cooked. My sister has not cooked. So this you have added not between has and verb in the third form. See the first one. She dashed the vegetables. Chop. She has chopped the vegetables. With she and he we use has. She has not chopped the vegetables. We added not in between has and third form of the verb to make it into negative. See this fourth one. Amit and Parth dash their lunch. Take. So with two people what we will use? We will use have. Amit and Parth have taken. Taken is the third form of the verb. Their lunch is the other words. Amit and Parth have not, you have inserted not in between have and taken, which is showing the negative part. So Amit and Parth have not taken their lunch. Students, try doing the remaining ones on your own. So students, your task for today is to read the whole thing, also study this part, actually learn it if you all can, and solve exercise A and exercise B. And if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. The explanation part link I have already shared, so kindly view that also. Thank you.